Asphalt is the most common surface for roadways across North America. As a construction craft laborer, you can earn a good living by working on a paving crew. While the type of project and the work environment can vary greatly, the tools and equipment are the same on nearly all asphalt paving jobs. It's important to be able to identify and properly use the tools of this trade, and recognize each piece of equipment and how it helps to complete a paving project. Pavers move with crawler tracks or wheels. These machines can place a layer of asphalt as thin as 1 inch up to about 8 inches. They can lay a mat from 6 to 32 feet wide. Greater widths can be accomplished by adding screed extensions. The basic asphalt paver has a tractor unit and a screed unit. The paver used in highway construction has many intricate parts and adjustments. Push rollers of steel are attached to the front of the tractor unit. They make contact with the tires of the dump truck and allow the paver to push the truck along as it dumps into the hopper. The hopper is also located at the front of the tractor unit. The hopper has 2 wings that lift up to slide the asphalt to the middle to the slat conveyors. Most pavers have 2 slat conveyors. Each one has its own controls. The conveyors, sometimes called flights, carry the mix back through the body of the tractor unit to augers that spread the asphalt in front of the screed. The augers and conveyors are controlled to spread the mix evenly in front of the screed unit. The paver screed is on the back of the paver. It is a free-floating unit that strikes off, or levels, partially compacts, and smooths out the surface of the mat as it is pulled by the tractor. The screed is attached to a tow point on each side of the paver. This allows the screed to float as the tractor pulls it forward. Pull arms extend from the screed to each tow point. Typically, they are equipped with hydraulic cylinders that can lift the screed unit for transport. When paving, the screed unit is set down and is supported by the asphalt. All modern pavers are equipped with screed vibrators. Vibrators allow the asphalt mix to feed more evenly under the screed and give the mat its first compaction. The crown adjustment is located in the center of the screed and allows the operator to set a crown in the screed. A crown refers to making the center slightly higher than the edge, so water will flow off of the finished mat. A depth crank is located on each side of the screed where the pull arm is attached. They adjust the angle of the screed and change the thickness of the asphalt mat. Screed controls are located on a panel near the depth crank. The controls duplicate many of the controls on the operator's panel, such as conveyor slats and augers, screed lift, and screed heaters. The screed control panel also has controls for the screed wings and connections for automatic grade control systems. Let's take a closer look at the paver and how it works with the crew and other equipment on the job. Typically, an asphalt truck backs up to the front of the paver until its back wheels touch the push rollers. The truck then opens its tailgate and raises its bed. Laborers signal the driver to raise his bed and dump asphalt into the hopper. The asphalt is carried by the slat conveyors through tunnels in the paver body, to be put down in front of the screed. One of the most important factors that determines the life of the asphalt is how well it is compacted. Compaction is done by pressing the asphalt-coated stone closer together to reduce the air spaces in the mix and to increase the density of the asphalt. Compaction is considered successful when the finished mat reaches the minimum specified density. The minimum density will vary by the job. Compaction is the final stage of the asphalt paving operation. While most of this work is done by vibratory rollers, laborers must compact places that the rollers may not be able to get to. The tools and small equipment that are most often used on an asphalt paving job include shovels, lutes and rakes, propane torches, tool cleaning equipment, hand tampers, plate tampers and walk-behind rollers, a 4-foot level, and a string line for paver alignment. Asphalt work requires a number of skilled laborers. Learning these skills and knowing the tools of the trade, you can become a valuable member of an asphalt paving team.